Okay guys, so this is the Novotel room and this is the entrance. Now the bathroom is a little weird because we do not have any locks. I honestly do not have no idea why. Also the doors are illusionary. Like if you see, this looks like an almirah. Okay, it's really small, so I cannot give you a complete view. But this is the almirah. You pull this out and this doubles up as your bathroom door, which is kinda cool but also freaky because there are no locks. And I really do not know. I mean, unless you are a very good singer, it's going to be difficult if you're sharing a room like we are. So here are both your doors like this. And ta-da! This closes the bathroom. Here you have the toilet, the loo. And then over here is the bathroom with the shower cabinet. This one. And then you open the doors again and yes, this is the main room. Now we are 3 of us in a room, so we have a bed which is like really cool. I'll show you the view. This is the bed and here is the water and the chips and a lot of green tea because all we have is green tea. And yeah, the best part about this room is the view. It's seriously good. Now luckily I have this bed, so I wake up to this amazing room and that's like the best thing ever. So yeah, this is pretty cool, pretty nice and pretty fun. So let me know what you think of this room. Is this like really good for a 5-star? Is this so-so? Is it like blah? What are your thoughts? Let me know in comments. Toodles.